ang lahat ng empleyado natin dito will have to decide on Monday. Do we follow the Philippine Constitution or the Constitution of the 11 plus 1? Do we follow the Senate rules or do we follow the rules of the 11 plus 1? Sabi sa akin ng isa kong kaibigan kaninang umaga, Chairman, sometimes you have to bend the Constitution to please Malacanang. I don't believe in that. Di ba? You can please Malacanang 1,000 ways, but don't bend the Philippine Constitution and our rules. Gusto ko lang to i-mention, no? Ako'y naniniwala sa media sa ating bansa. We cannot generalize, just like politicians. You cannot generalize lahat kayo corrupt. But maraming corruption. Di ba? Sa business community, sabihin nyo, iba sa inyo, nangungurap. Hindi man lahat, di ba? But just to express yung frustration na nadama ko kay Chairman Senator Marcoleta, tingnan nyo yung nangyari kahapon, ha? Katanging-tanging Philippine Star lang ang nasa front page din, Cayetano, I'm still Senate President. Okay? Sa Philippine Star, to be fair, ha? Siyempre, mas malaki yung sa kanila. Okay lang yun kasi araw nila kahapon. Pero kasabay pa rin, Cayetano is still the Senate President. Okay. Tandaan nyo yung context na sinasabi ni Senator Marcoleta. Hindi naman martial law ngayon. Malayang pamamahayag. So, importante, tama impormasyon natin sa ating kababayan. Titignan mo ang bulletin today, yung isang side lang, kung meron man nasa loob, sa front page wala. Wala at all. Okay. Siyempre, yung isa sa pinakakilala at alam natin pinaka-credible, Inquirer, sila nandun, ang Alang Cayetano sa taas, ICC told of Alan Robin tied to Bato. Nagkaroon pa sila ng space para this Cayetano has palace backing, a new PTV boss. He's talking about yung bunso kong kapatid. No? Pero wala dyan po sa harap na Cayetano is still Senate President. Ganito din po sa Manila Times. Senator has power from Cayetano, Bonoan, Group Sus Cayetano. So, news din naman po yan dahil I'm Senate President. Pero wala po dyan na Cayetano is still Senate President. Tribune, ganun din po. Complaints mount against Cayetano, Senate coup, pero nothing about Cayetano is still Senate President. No? Manila Standard, obstruction of justice filed versus Alan Robin Aplasca. Senate impasse, Blue Ribbon scheduled to June 8. Wala sa front page na tuloy yung Blue Ribbon ngayon. Wala yung Alang Cayetano is still. Malaya, Business Insights, Alan Robin face obstruction raps over Bato's escape. Etc. No? So, what's my point here? If you were a Filipino abroad or sa mga online ka tumitingin, akala nyo legal at walang issue yung nangyari kahapon. Yun yung ibig sabihin. But again, sa mga reporters natin sa Senate, alam ko yung buhay ng reporter, they have to submit 6 to maybe 8 stories a day. Yung editor at yung naglalatag. Di ba? So, yun lang ang tanong ko sa mga naglalatag ng dyaryo na to. Bakit sa dami nating dyaryo, Philippine Star lang ang nag-report na meron dispute. Meron nagsasabing si Cayetano pa rin ang Senate President at may nagsasabing may acting Senate President. No? On that point, I'd like to thank Senator Robin Padilla because if not for him having the correct strategy of pulling Senator Pia aside or pushing Secretary Remulla pagpasok, hindi kayo nakapasok ngayon dito. No? And I'd like to thank every single member ng staff ng Senado who are here today. Katulad ng ating lounge, hinanda pa nila yung pagkain, yung nag-ayos ng mga mesa. But hingi lang ako, Chairman, na magdasal at mag-reflect ang mga taga-Senado. If this was the declaration of martial law, 50 years ago, etc. No? There were many issues then. It was a different time. Pero you reflect later on, tama o hindi na padlock. I'll not judge that. No? I'll not judge that kasi we're here today. But here today, who is the legitimate Senate President? Because hindi to away ng dalawang barkada. Ang lahat ng empleyado natin dito will have to decide on Monday. Do we follow the Philippine Constitution or the Constitution of the 11+1? Do we follow the Senate rules or do we follow the rules of the 11+1? Sabi sa akin ng isa kong kaibigan kaninang umaga, Chairman, sometimes you have to bend the Constitution to please Malacanang. I don't believe in that. Di ba? You can please Malacanang 1,000 ways, but don't bend the Philippine Constitution and our rules. And then, of course, as I said, iba-iba kami ng religion dito. Lahat tayo may pinaniniwalaan word of God. Babalik tayo sa truth, no? So, Mr. Chairman, I hope hindi tayo pigilan next week. And I have to apologize to you. Because kung walang issue dito, you would have been offered protection at least kung saan kayo pupunta dito. Diba? Having said that, Mr. President, ang news ngayon, Mr. Chairman, is that the President will call a special session. That's good. Because we announced it, alam na namin na minority na kami in terms of the number. Kasi nga, kinulong na nila si Senator Jinggoy, hindi pinayagan ang online voting sa senador, pero pinauwi lahat ng empleyado ngayon, mag-work from home na lang daw sila. So alam namin, napapalitan nyo kami sa committee, pero hindi nyo mapapalitan ng President kung hindi 13. So eto lang pakiusap ko sa Malacanang. Kumuha kayo ng isa pang senador para sa special session, bumaba na ako bilang Senate President. Para wala na tayong problema pare-pareho, pero para masunod yung konstitusyon. Kung pwede lang, Senator Amy, na bumaba ako today, Chairman, Senator Robin, gusto ko nang bumaba today as Senate President. Ang problema, I have a duty to the Filipino people and to the Philippine Constitution. Ang nakalagay, until your successor is elected. Hindi pa tayo nag-elect ng successor. So, OSAA, Secretariat, lahat ng empleyado, I'm sorry to put this on you. Not at the penalty of dismissal or cases. Hindi po ako ganun magtrabaho. Konsensya nyo. Alam nyo ang batas. Sino ang susundin nyo? Yung peke na acting Senate President o yung sinasabi ng ating konstitusyon na Senate President? So Malacanang, yun lang advice ko sa inyo. Hintayin nyo na maka-13, tawagin nyo yung special session. Pwede siguro tayo magpahiram ng isa para maka-13 na sila. No, kasi I hate the fact that we're in a situation that we cannot follow the law. So Attorney Baligod, 18 nating magigiting na sundalo. Salamat sa panahon ito. No? Yeah. So, we'll sabi, at the request of Senator Amy, can you show the pictures just so that you can identify it para on the record ito, no? Para pag gumawa ng report ng Blue Ribbon Committee. But from our hearts, ang dami nagte-text sa amin. Hindi kami humuhusga, ang publiko ang humuhusga, pero nagpapasalamat na.